Hi, Ben with Heirloom Roses here. I just planted a rose in the ground and I want to talk to you a little bit about reusing your packaging. The cardboard in your packaging, of course, it's all biodegradable and it makes for a really good ground cover around the rose underneath your mulch. The worms in the soil and other microorganisms are going to come up and eat that cardboard to pieces. It's going to provide a great weed barrier and it's also going to help keep moisture in the soil. So reuse your box. So we're going to go ahead and just disassemble our box here, pull it apart. And I'm only going to use this portion right here. So we'll just cut like that. We'll use that somewhere else. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this box straight down the center. And we're going to go ahead and cut 2 triangles out. Lay those down, cut another triangle out right here. And we're just going to go ahead and piece these right in like this. Now, I always like to leave a little space right around the rose because we're going to want to water it in with some fertilizer, and that gives a way for that liquid fertilizer to get down there. But that will create a great weed barrier and a great way to help your rose get off to a great start. So I want to know from you, what do you do that's creative with your packaging? We always like to repurpose and reuse and recycle, but the best thing we can do is reuse it in the garden, and all of this is biodegradable except for the plastic bag, and we're working on that. So, show us a creative way you've reused your packaging in your yard.